Now move the next topic, simplification. So this division is done, all the four properties are done: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of fraction. Now we will move to the next topic, simplification of fractions. So by using Badmas rule, I know that you all know about this Badmas rule. So what is this? BODMAS. This B stands for, we can write it like B stands for bracket, O stands for half that we have discussed yesterday, D stand for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for your addition, and S stand for the last subtraction. This is the sequence of simplifying any given in questions by using Badmas rule. That is that we will first solve bracket, after that the sequence will be half, after that division, then multiplication, then addition, and in last subtraction. So you can note it. Suppose we are taking the one example, 4/3 plus 1 upon, if you will take 2/3, this is bracket, divided by, this will be 6 of, do it simply, 6 into 8/7. So if this is an example and you have to simplify this, so now 4/3 plus 2/3 divided by 6 into 8/7. You cannot do whatever you can, you have to follow this rule to simplify this. First thing you will focus, is there any bracket? Yes, here is a small bracket, this is known as bracket. Now this parenthesis, this special name of this is parenthesis, you can say bracket. So this small bracket will be solved first. After that, is there any half? No, there is no any half. After that, division. So after solving this bracket, we will do the division and multiplication, then addition and subtraction. So this is addition, but you cannot say this will be in the last, this is inside the bracket. So we will solve this bracket first. Both are like fraction, so 3 4 to 6. Now leave as it is, do stepwise, it will be easier thing. Now 3 2s are, so 2 divided by 6 into 8/7. Now follow this rule again. This is division, multiplication. Don't multiply first you have to divide, division, after that multiplication. So this will solve first. So 2 divided by 6 means what? 2/6 you can write, and into the remaining is 8/7. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja, this is 1/3 into 8/7. Now this is simple multiplication, so 8 1 ja 8, 7 3 ja 21. This is the process that you have to follow to solve the this type of questions. So we will take some, so we will solve some examples with the help of book. So suppose one question is here, 5/8 into 1 whole 1/2 divided by 15/16. This is question number 8 part 1. So to solve this, again there is no bracket, just focus here, there is no bracket, there is no half. Now division, yes. Multiplication, yes. So first divide, then multiply. So before doing this, first convert the mixed fraction if there is any question. अगर questions में आपके mixed fractions हैं तो उसे सबसे पहले हम improper fraction में convert करेंगे. So this will be equal to 5/8 into 2 1 जा 2, 2 1 3 upon 2 divided by 15/16. Now division, leave as it is, divide it. So this will be according to rule 3/2. Division will convert into multiply. This is 15/16, so convert this 16/15. Now if this can be simple, now all are multiplication, so you can write like this: 5 into 3 into 16 upon 8 into 2 into 15. This is 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3. This is 1 into 1 into 1 upon 1 into 1 into 1. This is 1 already. This is the answer. So like this you will solve. The last example I am explaining here, some more complex problem. This is question number 9 and 9th part. This is 108 divided by 36 of 1/3 plus 2/5 into 3 whole 3/4. Now this has to be solved. So write is equal to, there is no bracket, so leave this step. Half, choose yes, here is half. So don't divide first you have to solve half. So write all the number as it is, divided by, now 336 half means multiplication. You will solve like this. First you have to solve half. So this is in bracket I am putting. Now into 4 3 ja 12, 12 3 15/4, 3 12 ja. I am not multiplying first before the division. I am doing half because half also we have like multiplication. So this is divided by 12 plus 2/5 into 15/4. Now half is completed. Division, is there any? Yes, this is division part. So just divide this. So 108 divided by 12, that is 9 times. 12 9 ja 108 plus 2/5 into 15/4. In the next step there is plus, there is multiplication. So multiplication first, after that addition. So 9 plus, leave as it is, multiplication. 5 3 ja 2, 2 ja, so 3/2. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 2, 1 2 ja 2 9 ja 18 plus 2 1 ja 1 3 ja 3. This is 21/2. You can change into like this, 2 10 ja 20, 1/2. So this is the solution. So this is the method. Be careful and use this. First bracket, then half, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So this is the simplification of fractions by using Badmash rule. So this is all for today, and tomorrow we will discuss the statement problem of this chapter. That will be the last exercise for this. So I will give you the homework. Just give me 1 minute. So there are some problems. So this will be the homework for you. First, 2 by 3 of 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5. Second, 1 whole 1 upon 24 into 2 whole 1 upon 4 divided by 1 whole 1 upon 14. Third, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 divided by 1 whole 5 upon 6 into 11 minus 3 whole 1 upon 2. And you can do some question of division like 8 whole 2 upon 3 divided by 5 whole 7 upon 9. So this will be the homework. For any doubt clearance, you can comment in the below section. So this will be the last topic, and now tomorrow we will end this chapter fraction 2 and move on the chapter 3 rational number. So for today, thank you.